What a joke. You guys seeing this? This is what I'm trying to work with here.
Making a mistake really sucks, especially when you feel like you're letting people down. G'day, Stu from Uavfutures here, and I need to explain a couple of little things that have gone on recently. You might have seen we did basically 30 videos in 30 days, or over 30 videos, plus live streams. It was almost a daily video on Uavfutures, and there was so much positivity, so much excitement, so much just passion for FPV. I love it. Like, that's what I do this channel for. However, you might have seen recently, we went dark. Like last week, there was nothing there, and I have realized and done a bit of reflection, and I've understood that I'm sorry, I actually can't do a video a day. It's just not feasible for me when I'm trying to raise a young family. It doesn't mean I'm not passionate about FPV, and I want to apologize to anybody who has joined my channel recently and they're expecting those daily videos. My mission, it's all about getting people flying, giving them the best videos, the best information that they can. And after a bit of reflection, that doesn't mean a video every day. It just means great content and sharing that passion with you guys when it is ready, when it is ripe, and to get you guys into the sky. So sorry about that. It is currently raining, which is not making this process easy. However, just because we went dark last week and didn't see any videos doesn't mean there wasn't stuff going on in the background. Check out some of this super exciting stuff we've got coming up on the channel, some new tech. But let's kick it off. This is like probably the biggest drone we have ever had on my channel, this 10-inch bad boy right there. We have some really cool fun videos planned that are not just reviews. Like, I'm doing some really fun things as well. If you are into racing or micros at all, this one's gonna blow your mind. We've got 2 Lightning V2s. We're gonna be doing some hot laps, some really crazy high octane racing. We've got some for the long range people out there as well. Like, we're actually going to be going through some GPS setup guides. I've already gone out, tested these things. We've had Stickman Steve in the background as well, helping me out. You're gonna see some videos of why really for like 20 bucks, you should never be flying a mission without GPS if you're going anywhere risky, even the slightest bit. We have the jumper radio, so the T15 coming up. We've got some, whether you're a digital person or whether you're thinking about like a 5,000 milliwatt, a 5-watt VTX for analog. We've got the GT cam. Check this bad boy out. So I'm just gonna, let me plug this in. All right, it's plugged in. You can see right here, this little car, this little crawler, it's actually got an FPV head tracker in there, which is doing some really cool things. We're going through that setup and basically having an absolute blast. We've been having so much fun with that thing. It sort of feels like you're sitting in there driving that car. Now, the final thing I want to mention is, even though we were dark last week, I was still blown away by the support I had. Like, we still had people who believed in FPV and what Uavfutures was doing, and I would give a huge shout out to them. We had people sending through donations for microphones and just to helping improve the content. So that really meant a lot to me to know that you guys believe it. If you believe in Uavfutures, I'm going to put the Patreon link down below. It is getting harder and harder to make these videos and to live off what we can do on YouTube. So if you'd like to continue to support this, share that message of FPV, the positivity of just getting people up in the air and changing their lives. Your support will make a difference and is greatly appreciated. So there's a little update. Stay tuned. Heaps of things are coming, just not in that daily format, but still, you're going to have an absolute blast, and I can't wait to show you some of these things as well.